Morning, everyone. It's Wednesday morning, the 10th. I'm back, and this is your pre opening comment. Um, let's go to Bitcoin. Bitcoin turned a little lower. It's the chart on the screen after hitting, let's see, yesterday's high was, I believe, 48 and change. Yesterday's high, 48,885. This morning, it's an inside day so far, lower high, higher low, and last is 46,575, down 1190. And the stupidity of who is talking about Bitcoin in any kind of way hit a new high when Bitcoin jumped on Lindsay Lohan saying she's in Bitcoin. I mean, give me a break. Okay, Asia was up a little. Europe is about unchanged, and we have a bunch of earnings, all that were pretty decent. General Motors was a beat, both top and bottom line, but the stock is down $1. Part of that is because of the lack of chips and the fact that the stock has been dramatically higher of late. And of course, it's Johnson & Johnson, day number infinity on we're seeking emergency sometime soon. As I've said repeatedly, I just don't understand how the market moves on something like Johnson & Johnson, who comes out every other day with the same stupid statement without any factual information whatsoever, but market loves it. Coca-Cola was a beat, both top and bottom line. This one was up a little. It's 50.58, up 88 cents or 1.7%. They also reinstituted guidance, which they see as a positive. Twitter beat, both top and bottom line. I'm going to guess that 64.04 is making a lot of people happy. New all-time high, up $4.17 or 7%. Lyft, the same thing. 63.03, up 6.39, 12% on their earnings. And Cisco, who also had a beat and also put out guidance, fell 2.30, 46.20, down $2.30 or 4.7%. And New Jersey was just, the governor was just asked by one of the talking heads about who they have as priority for vaccine, because evidently smokers come in front of educators. So I'm going to say that's a little on the ludicrous side, seeing as we need the schools to be open so two worker families can get back to work, as opposed to people who have ignored the Surgeon General for the last 45 years since they started putting the warning on the side of cigarettes over educators. Okay, the futures are higher. We have the Dow up about 91, NASDAQ up 40, S&P up 13. And as I said, the chart on the screen is the Bitcoin. Let's look around and see what else is going on. I know that the grains were down this morning after yesterday's crop report. So we have corn down 11 cents a bushel, which is not insubstantial. We have wheat down 11 cents a bushel. Going to the crude, we are up yet again. Nat gas is basically unchanged. The gold is up 520. The silver is down, and as usual, the platinum is dramatically outperforming. Gold up $5, platinum up $49. And just, these are recovery highs. We're nowhere near the all-time highs, and even the highs from 2009 at 2,300. So we can go a long way with the platinum before there's an issue about new highs or new lows. We also want to take a look at the dollar, which is down yet again. Let's see, here we go. The dollar is, well, it's basically unchanged now. But to give you a look at the general trend, it tried to rally. Excuse me, it tried to rally again. Let's go to the daily instead of the weekly. We've tried to rally off the bottom here. I said 92 would be a problem. So far, we've gotten to 91. This is 91.60. 91. Yep, 91.60. And now we've turned back down again. I'm going to guess that we're at the least going to try the 90 area again. And if we break that, I mean, we're going to have a rollover here of the 5-day moving average going through the 20, which, as I've mentioned before, is the Donchian change of trend. Here's the last time it did that to the downside. Here's the first time that it moved through it to the upside in a while, and we got a rally, not insubstantial. I mean, we broke it, we changed it here just below 90, and we did get a rise to 90.60, which is, as I said, not insubstantial. And if you're trading futures, which I keep on telling everyone that they need to ask about the futures and the big advantages of them. If you're trading futures, that's a substantial gain. And the bonds are down again. We were in the bonds on the short side. It rallied, and we got out this day. If it continues to go sideways and doesn't turn back up, we will get short them again using the TBT. That's the inverse levered 2-to-1 long rates short bonds. Okay, everyone. And by the way, I'm working. I had to take yesterday off, but I'm working on getting the interview that I did with Dennis Marlowe up on the site. At the very latest, it'll go out in this week's letter, but I'm trying to get it up there for tomorrow. It's interesting, and I think you'll find it helpful. Have a good day. Be careful out there. I'll be back later.